We should my mom acquire by Avagan and SMTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also, so that anytime I post a video, BTC will stand by KB. Erastus Asare Donkor, brah. Why? Erastus. About Ghana journalism, I think say I don't agree with everything you do. As for that one, no. But even the media has to represent them. I mean, so, but I think say you are one journalist that many of us will say you are the closest that comes to what a supposed neutral should be like. But just stay with a galamsey fight now. I think that is the best you can do. That is where you thrive. Because when you try to shift away from galamsey, with the recent some of the posts that will post out Michelle, I say galamsey nkwa no betumi aye. Yachi obi. And the person that was maybe arrested belongs to a group, a family. And those group of people are the ones who are up in arms against the fact, say, they believe that there's an injustice is being committed. Now, who Erastus, Mekasana Yentia, who says only in Ghana that the people whose money has been stolen will be on the street demonstrating. So, who Erastus, what you are saying basically is that people are guilty as charged. As a journalist, too. Papa penny journalist, or penny toto journalist. In democracies. And to say, if we hear say you Erastus, you've been arrested, maybe because somebody maybe caught on a galamsey site, claim say we are mouse car, where Genesika pay as a bribe, you don't think say people should start an online campaign say, oh no, release Erastus because we believe that Erastus is innocent. So once we hear say Erastus has been involved in a corruption or corruption related activity, it means you are guilty. These are the journalists that we have in Ghana. Then women know me as senior journalism in Ghana. These are the four runners. Ebanu Ghana journalism. I mean, boy. Tomorrow.
I feel I'm not sure how insensitive they are. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Men shoko.
Meet you.
Adie we see. Any nipa 8 year eko ye e will play mo. There na more state of emergency.
Kwanse.
The big man kasa kwanse. Na isa men to aso.
Kwanse.
There be ko journalist na dey amoya na yempe de we amoya ma de no. Kedru men pede awo ye no me say. Enipe 8 year wu enkwa bi ahu hia. Yellow Ghana flag. A state of emergency, true or false?
Yeah.
And then me know can say, unim say nko that so try o madeshe. From the rubble, and for that so try o The question I'm asking you is say, has the presidency released a state of emergency? What? Have they even assessed how the damage has gone? No. But some are Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
That is prudent.
Okay, ebusian for Yamama Kwababa sounds from afar. So live on a Paridero channel. So and yedi enkomo from Toronto. More kesiye pa ba kwa ewo hanomo yedi enkomo die free na yentia ye ene one of the leading members are ewo New Patriotic Party amanyokomu ewo Toronto Hanomo ena yeneno edi enkomo yenua Felix Apia yobia meno kase ne abre ne ndi a war contest o New Patriotic Party amanyoko no mo se obi opese o lady political party no communications wo Canada Hanomo ena yeneno edi enkomo Felix mema wakwaba
o me das minua na se bibia boko
nyame adom ye ho ye na ye beba o contest no a opese wo kono so na me pese yen hyase mfiri Ghana se ade a eye recent koso paye insu a eyi recently edi o how bebre aba say politicians much as born game NPP for blame NDC na NDC for so blame Cecilia da pa na o mempani kofo na o mempani ekufuado na anya niema yie na ma problem aba who as a communication person of the party then na obeka train
I mean you that say remember when we TV ni na ene wa hwefo ni na adwo na mensanchia obi a mo TV baby on TV bia as it says it sounds from afar
yeah
it's very deep said the no I wouldn't want to bore with listeners with anything. I believe said the Kosovo Ghana in terms of floods na yeni na yenim na yabema ebusuane adehia ahwere wo monkrofo no yako wo mo ayera yehu wo muni na so yebo mpaye se nyame bema yetumi hu wo na nyame be chiche ebusuafo were woni a wo ahwere japade ne bibia no onyame mpe kwan na ofa nchichire woni na wore the tiene say o ka sembi na me pese correct you na kakra you start ye Ghana see ye chichire no as far back as 1960 there was a flood. Where really Abakwa Sembi said the opposition party at that time, at the politics.
Debbie.
Okay. Minimum age there. But Yambra Rollins. Kaiser Rollins time, ne Yiriama Rollins, ne do baby.
95.
Allah Jono no one na ni penny be Jerry Munia, Yamayini na grab a Rollins as president here was since you more all year Juma. But what is at that time, NPP for a can say a Rollins fault.
David.
What is say CP before can say a Rollins fault.
David.
What is say any other political party can say away say a Rollins fault. President Kufuor by flooding by at President Kufuor time. What is say Babe nominee ubeda someone can say a Kufuor ne confasa is to turn the by. Maybe say what is say now we the politics.
What point in the saying?
Me oda meba. John Mahama.
Yeah.
Excellency. About the second time, no first time, President Mills, Ewuya, or by flood amba. What is so because say a Mahama and I'm a flood aba. What's it?
Come on,
there be hello, sir. No, let's be real. What's it so because say you know why?
What point in the saying?
No, me perceive didn't come say you come on and I may say. And so yiri afenipa bebre Ghana so many regimes. What is say obi blame obi say ye NDC and NPP na yeda.
Come on, sir.
What is bibi sada? There be. So usuru say obeka, me meka ma say there be.
Okay.
When me bra started this idea with politics. Bra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama after spending 4 years went to me and solve a flood. Na okotena opposition or person or baby no. And in so yiri a obema ya adwene say there be ade ebeba ya to ya ade ebeba ya to ye nchem no oka say Ekufuado fi abro nsam egu chebi bawomia abayifo a egu wale e na ato nsuo efeli e na amagana fo ekwa epiniem satana boy ba akopɛ na nsuo na ayɛ den afa no as at that time now ebra wo opposition no we really said there is something called engineering. There is something called urban planning. Your agencies or much as any man in the so Mahama we the president now. But say no or no be 4 years. As a matter of fact, 2013. Or Kate saw the say the best fail say Accra floods their air by Aniskadaho. Let me tell you nipa kon this and by $796 million. It was for Accra and the Western Railway line. That was what the facility was supposed to do. Let any NDC near or share in the country and say sense cano Mohammed Cha saw the way or the ABCD. then you go and sit home.
Yeah.
After 4 years of being president, work out in a fee for another 8 years.
Yeah.
Meaning, say you cast a flood on your madia, where the vice president may be a sida, where the president may be a sida, into your pobi or what the able to me solve your flooding now. If there is anybody who can solve the flooding in Ghana, it should have been John Dramani Mahama. Because for 16 years he has been in government. What was his approach to solve the Accra drains? Or Kate saw the way he didn't see it. To show you how incompetent this government, including His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, is, and pardon me, let me say this, incompetent, and yet did the attempt. 2015, yeko to abano, ansan yeko, edi ni si Ghana. It's really a massacre.
It's really by.
A janem, what we see, so one will say in Sunija, Shibomuda. But Ghana is here. Out of negligence, out of greed, out of people not taking the officers' rights. Na meba ho, ya beba civilian side ho, ya politics no, but ya beba civilian side ho, because that is where the problem mainly lies. Akufo-Addo failing, Mahama failing, who are they failing with? Are they not people they are putting there? But let me talk about the government failures, no, point blank. After 2015 disaster ni see, no. Ewu ne ade eba yenti ebe ma wiase amansan ni na yemu hyehye.
Yeah.
And IMF ye na adwene say saa de a ye discuss we be ma mo as a grant ni ska mutua na back.
Yeah.
Now every time we be a rainy season ebe ba na mo de akotim. Minia question we so we untumi nka se untumi ndi. NDC ni NPP ho na atena be mo ache.
NDC of course.
Nti se efi apata ebu a ye ko last born ho na ye ko bisa na as senior born. Say ne eyi atofie empenifu ahia o papa emma ahia wo keto anu na ombebisa question ana peninu na ombebisa no question.
NDC the politics enti mun so mudi nsuyire abai be politics ana
there be asase ma make no unche dante ma see o me ba my politics me ba me ma data ni sign the nyama esisi me ma chronological things esisi.
Yeah.
Nti say what you say no your politics are fair. But I'm just giving you things as you see.
Yeah.
Now things as you see in American BOS and say 2015 no enipe wuye ema yema is ka say free na ekono yemfa nye say adwuma we.
Yeah.
2016 enso yiri.
Enso yiri, yeah.
What they say NDC for the project be by your friend say ya de be Accra sub distillation na de ana. What say?
David.
Good. Abai for aba. Oba ye na government is continual. 2017 oba no and obe constitute then obe constitute board say mon hwe kwan a committee we hwe kwan a and these are not politicians because ebruchira me no me enu tie since you yiri a enye politicians na kokasa
David
technical men no mote de ekoso na se no but so ati ase nti aban egada these technical men say mon koye mo adwuma na mon hwe all the flag zones now you need to say nsuo ni one year for project bimbra and no money cover the Garrett project at the buy na ye the Greater Accra we region say drainage and all those things
by World Bank
by World Bank. Okay, NPP started say oh yeah niama na say enye eyi akoya uko yi na say wo ye ya ye we mame. Look at the projects that was done under the Garrett.
Yeah.
About 4 sites here. You said that yes, I had the they best store nsuo. Since you to you best store the egu ha. The nsuo na ten on releasing and kakra.
Yeah.
And you commendable.
Nenye sa Garrett project here na NDC for Kasses Kano akomono doso na so there is nothing to show senkamudi e bibi anka nsuo ye ayiri na no nke enye.
Me patuma me so asem. Sika na nkwade na ape. Mama yenja sa politics na ye no mama mi so asem se nipa be wu anes kan be gu asede na ape
of course me penkwa
because it's can to one okra na be this can no as can so mfaso one saying it is a wunya aban o ka kire o say me spend this card the save nipa life a edoso dodo na mbom me save ska na me the two government appointees e pay mo a papa.
Then I walk out because so.
Make sense to say, I buy way by we increasing the pay of government appointees and then win him.
And
how many percent in order the government workers? Less than 10%.
9%, yeah.
Into no me ankasa me na obi a tax etua me kan me de meto market mu high na embom sika na ye de be ye drainage na na ma menua bi anya nkwa no eno de me nye because ne boy den dodo
Felix baby I would kono ya ko jumayefo ne aban jumayefo akatu sika semu na me de go back to enso no a eyiri no enso ni yiri na approach me no we saw Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say oko na oko sran krofo enso no afa won na yeah, who say NPP for also criticize His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say na approach ye kwan of us wo na helicopter mo any said here we as a crowd here was say to there shall be showers of blessing and on any yere any busuan force no na enye correct adentina ni pewu ase ni pewu president no or kwa sorry ana or kwa bibia eni say mo attacking is said mo
ye kremuni ana we Christoni
me Christoni
e pacho Christo mo Bible na mo kan no edu ba bia o say ye wo bre fo bibia
yeah
e bre ya de wo e bre be wuo ana meboa there is time for everything
yeah
Bible na so sanko Korea mo so sanka say ye ne won ya esun ye den
esun
ye ne won ya da ase ye den and da ase ye ne won ya sere nti say opese ye no to say dia wo kan ye ya. The first thing they did, assembly see no. Okay, 3 weeks ago. Now they we see you. The first one see ye. So time na your Papa Mahama wo England.
Yeah.
Okay, asma on okay. Or say young Ghana for ni yendi ye huni.
Yeah.
The social life ne yenti na ye say ye mem. So if you know the problem, why are you now in the air? Brother, politics are no ye jai that crow they join politics no. Right now I see a century a car sem no the way it here. Maybe a typical example. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said you no conference you ba Ghana. And you no since you may yirim food. I don't think say he prayed anywhere since you may sir. But ne niama 1 year after a DNSC no shows to say he's complicit. Because Obia is at fault except John Dramani Mahama. That is not honesty.
Oh sir, intinanka mo pesa ojitum so no na eye ne mfom so nti amanso ayiri ana.
Jitum said there is a problem which is not just the social